The Hatch Restore 2 is a thoughtfully designed sleep companion that successfully combines the functionality of multiple bedside devices into one elegant package. As someone who struggles with traditional jarring alarms, the sunrise simulation feature has been a game-changer, gradually brightening over 30 minutes to naturally ease you into wakefulness. The device's build quality is impressive, with a premium fabric-wrapped design in a versatile putty color that complements most decor. The touch-sensitive buttons are responsive, though they occasionally require a firmer press than expected. The companion app, while initially requiring some setup time, offers extensive customization options for creating personalized sleep routines. The sound machine functionality is particularly noteworthy, offering a diverse library of high-quality ambient sounds and white noise options. The speaker quality exceeds expectations for a bedside device, producing clear, room-filling sound without distortion at higher volumes. One standout feature is the smart light system, which includes both reading and ambient lighting modes. The color temperature adjustment helps promote natural circadian rhythms, with warm hues for evening relaxation and energizing morning light. Battery backup ensures alarm reliability during power outages, though it's worth noting this feature only maintains basic timekeeping and alarm functions. The dimmable clock display is easily readable but can be completely darkened for light-sensitive sleepers. While the price point is higher than basic alarm clocks, the Hatch Restore 2's comprehensive feature set and positive impact on sleep quality make it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to improve their sleep routine.